Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, welcome to the channel. To the people that are new, and welcome back to the ones that are not. In today's video, I'll be installing and reviewing this wig that you see right here on my head. So if you're interested, make sure you continue to watch. And of course, before we jump into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified when I upload. You can also follow me on my other social accounts. They'll be right here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright y'all, so here is the complete look. This is the quickest install, okay? So if you're looking for human hair as well as a bang and some length and curls, the ability to be versatile, you know, and put it on in about 5 minutes or less, this is gonna be your girl, okay? I know I just gave like a bunch of different descriptions to it, but that's like all the features that this unit does have. So this unit does come from Hurela Hair. Hopefully I am pronouncing that name correctly. But this is some really nice quality hair, you guys. So I did use my curling wand on it. I used my flat iron on it. And throughout that heat process, it's still holding the curls very well. I did not have any tangling or shedding with this unit. It has a wonderful density to it as well. I feel like it's on the thick side. And I'm not sure if it's coming off on camera looking sort of thin, but I like how it is leveled with the bang. We don't have too much hair right here in the bang space. We don't have too much hair with the bundles. It's like all evened out very, very well. So I'm going to have the wig information in my description bar as well, so you'll know exactly like what the density is, the length is, color, the link to the direct wig, all of that information. And I will also give you guys a 360. So this is what the front of it is looking like. This is what a side angle looks like. That's the right side. We have the left side, and let me show you the back. So it does come with some combs in the inside, no lace, and then you have the adjustable bands in the back. I did make the adjustable bands tighter. I wanted to make sure that it felt very secure since I knew I wasn't going to be gluing it down or anything like that. But it feels very much so secure. I love the bangs as well. I thought they were going to be like too thick, but they are not. So I really like that. And I always get pretty nervous to try bangs in general, but I do appreciate when they come out pretty well. Y'all let me know what y'all think of these bangs in the comment section. I want to hear what you guys are thinking. But yeah, I really like this hair, very good quality. So if you guys are interested in it, just make sure you check out that description bar below. So that's all the information I have for you guys. That's all the goody about today's wig. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Hurela for sending over this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.